On behalf of the Virginia State Police, an Amber Alert is being activated for a missing child, believed to be taken forcibly by her non-custodial mother. Child 1, 3-year-old Amelia Krause, white female, 3 foot, 34 pounds. Last seen wearing a pink Boston Red Sox shirt, pink and gray tights, and a pair of white and pink Under Armour shoes. Suspect, Catherine Agnes Krause, white female, blonde hair, brown eyes, 5 foot, 10 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds. She's believed to be wearing a wig and has shaved her head. Vehicle, 2010 black Volkswagen Touareg. License, Massachusetts registration, Whiskey, Sierra, 5025. Location, area, Frederick, Maryland. Contact the Fairfax County Police Department at 703-877-3877 or 3840 or visit twitter.com VS Palster or dial 911.